Hello and welcome to week 3 of this English 111 Online Shaw University Summer 2018. Yes, gotta love these abbreviated 6-week courses because it seems like we're going a mile a minute. That's because we are. So what are we doing this week? Well, you're watching this video. Yay. There'll be more readings in Odigya. You should be familiar with how to do that by now. There's a bunch of short videos. You're like, oh, these videos I have to watch. But all of these are very helpful things which are down here that will help you improve your writing. Okay, so yeah, so you watch this video, then this video, then this video, then this video, then this video. So these videos are all right there. None of them are very long. Okay, yeah, that's what you're doing. Okay, and you have a quiz on point of view, and the information for that is found in this video right here. So this video gives you the answers to that one right there. Then you get to watch the research lecture because our next paper is on research. Yes, a research paper. So this video here and the information from Odigya will give you the answers you'll need to take this quiz, which is the research quiz. Okay? And then we get to do paper 2. Yay, paper 2. Again, let's go ahead and click on this. So this is the instructions for paper 2. I'll download it. Make it bigger. So you're writing a research paper where you need to find 3 credible sources, and the video on research helps you know where to find credible sources. Okay? For this paper, you will choose a controversial topic and use persuasive tactics to argue one side of that topic. You will need to conduct research and find credible sources to support your argument. The paper should use the following general outline right there. What? Now, refutation. What the heck is a refutation? Refutation is when you look at the other side of the argument. Okay? Other side of the argument would be if you were going to say, I'm in favor of legalizing marijuana. Well, you have to acknowledge the fact that there are people who are against it. And the refutation is, okay, well, I understand that people are against it. Well, you would say, I would understand. Those against legalizing marijuana would state that it would cause the probable following outcomes. However, in looking at the evidence outweighs the evidence of the positives of legalizing marijuana outweighs it. So you just have to kind of recognize the other side. Now, some more information down here. You have to use MLA formatting, which we've learned. Okay. Interesting hook. So make sure the introduction gets your attention. The paper has a clear proposition. Okay. So, again, if you're legalizing marijuana, you would be, marijuana should be legalized, or marijuana should stay illegal, whatever the claim is, or abortion fee should be legal, or abortion should be kept illegal, whatever it is. Paper has a refutation paragraph which explains the opposing arguments. Okay, well, if you're going to try to persuade people on one side of the argument, you have to recognize the other side. Okay, the paper has body paragraphs for each reason mentioned in the proposition. So if you're saying, hey, look, we should legalize marijuana because of A, B, and C, then you need to back that up with proof. Okay, and you have to have conclusion. Now, the other thing is that you're going to be doing research. So you need at least 2 quotes from supporting documents, and those quotes need to be documented using MLA formatting, and there's videos on how to do that. Okay, very important. Again, this is not an opinion paper. I don't want your opinion on what you think should happen with legalized marijuana or whatever topic you decide to pick. Okay, you're stating a side and you're backing it up with research. Paper should be written in 3rd person, no 1st or 2nd person pronouns. Videos earlier that you're watching this week will explain that. Paper has no contractions. Contractions are when you take 2 words together and push them together with an apostrophe, like can't or won't or will not. No, will not is actually not a contraction. It's like transition words, okay? Yeah, just write effectively. And all grammar errors have been eliminated. Do your best with that. Use help from the Writing Center as needed. Again, 2 to 5 pages in length, and you need a works cited page. So that's basically the gist of Writing Project 2. So you're going to write the first full draft of Writing Project 2 right there, including a works cited page, and submit it. What? There and there. So this is for I can give you feedback, and this is for your peers to give you feedback, which we will talk about next week. All right. So again, what are we doing here? Woo! Watching all these videos. Speaks for a second. How to find importance of MLA formatting. Learn how to do MLA formatting. Paragraph structure video that'll help you write your paper. Quiz on point of view. Quiz on the research. Start writing your paper. First draft, 2 to 5 pages, including Works cited page. That does not count towards the 2 to 5 pages. Upload your draft here. Upload your draft here so we can give you feedback, tell you what you need to work on, what you need to fix. Exciting stuff. Yes, exciting stuff. So that's what's going on this week. And again, here are the deadlines. Everything this week is due by Sunday, June the 10th. Alrighty. So as far as, and also if you're like, gosh, I'm not sure what to write about, well, let me give you a little quick little thing. If you go to procon.org, org, this is a great place to find controversial topics. So just saying if you're not sure what to write on, go to procon.org. Okay, so that's what's going on for week 3. Yeah, it seems like it's a lot because it is. Research paper, first research paper. Woo! Also, this is a friendly reminder, if you go to our top of our page and you go to resources, there's all sorts of wonderful resources in here. If you're not sure how to do MLA formatting or how to do citing or all that kind of stuff, okay. To see how to set up a works cited page in MLA paper, watch this video. First, second, third. Yeah, we talked about that. That's a 5-paragraph essay. So, different tools in here, how to set up an MLA paper, all up here. This is a great place to go to get the help you need to be able to do the stuff found here in week 3. All right, so week 3, go watch these videos, take a couple of quizzes, write your first draft of your paper, submit your paper here, submit your paper here, same paper, 2 different places, one for me, one for your peers, and then that's it for this week. All right, go do it.